गुड इवनिंग दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है स्वप्निल। आपका स्वागत है इंपीरियल क्लासेस राजूराम में, जो बेसिकली आपको पढ़ा रहा है फिजिक्स 10th सीबीएसई की चैप्टर नंबर 12 इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर में अपन आज का वीडियो नंबर 3 में आज पढ़ रहे चार्ज, जो इलेक्ट्रिकल चार्ज क्या होता है उसके बारे में अपन आज के वीडियो में डिटेल्स में पढ़ेंगे। उसके पहले जो वीडियो अपन ने बनाए थे वो वीडियो नंबर 1 था जो इंट्रोडक्शन था। वीडियो नंबर 2 था, उसमें बनाए थे अपन ने क्या कंडक्टर क्या होता है, इंसुलेटर क्या होता है, कंडक्टर का बिहेवियर कैसा होता है, मेटल का बिहेवियर कैसा होता है, नॉन मेटल का बिहेवियर कैसा होता है। उसके बाद साथ साथ अपन ने एक क्वेश्चन भी पढ़े थे, व्हाई द ओनली करंट फ्लो इन द मेटल्स, व्हाई नॉट इन नॉन मेटल्स। तो चलते हैं आज चार्ज के बारे में पढ़ते हैं। चार्ज के बारे में पढ़ने के लिए तो हम चलते चलते अपन पढ़ते हैं चार्ज के बारे में। तो चार्ज क्या होता है? नाउ चार्ज का रिप्रेजेंटेशन है Q। ओके, दिस इज व्हाट डेफिनेशन। डोंट गो टू डायरेक्टली डेफिनेशन, आई एम गिविंग वन एक्सप्लेनेशन, आफ्टर दैट यू write this definition. Okay, now I am giving one explanation that is very important explanation. Let's put here one proton over here. Okay, proton of the any material, right? Now let's put here one more proton. What is that? This is also proton. Okay, now one scientist may be there, he observed that there is one force in opposite direction. What is the direction? There is one more force that having opposite direction. Another time he put here electrons. What they put? Electrons. Now he observed same. What is that same? The direction is in opposite direction. Now another time, once more time he put here electrons, and here he put proton. He observed the direction is going to be changed. What is this direction? That direction is been changed. Now draw here. Don't draw at that point. This is what proton. Now the direction is being changed. Why it is happening? Here let's take force F1. This is also force F1. This is also for F1. This is also for F1. F1 and F1. Why this is being happening? He observed the question and answered that question because of only and only charge. Okay, what is this? Because of only charge present in between them. It is conventional. We don't actually charge it. What it does, it means we don't know up till now what is meant by charge. What we don't know? We don't know what actually charge means. अब still now my dear friends, लेकिन कोई साइंटिस्ट ने आके उसको डिराइव किया और एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया कि इनके बीच में जो फोर्स जनरेट हो रहा है, इसके बीच में कुछ ना कुछ होगा ना, ऑब्वियसली होगा। उसके बारे में उसने जानकारी दी थी। तो चलते हैं उसकी डेफिनेशन के तरफ। आई हैव रिटन हियर डेफिनेशन, द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एन प्रोटॉन्स, द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एन प्रोटॉन्स और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। व्हाट इज दैट? Property of protons or electrons which give rise to electrical force. What type of force? Electrical force. Which force it is? Electrical force between them is called nothing but electrical charge. Is called what? Electrical charge. Now what is the possible values over there? Okay, before that we should know the positive and negative. What is that? Positive and negative charge are, what is this? Positive and negative charge are attract each other, where the positive and positive charge are repel. Okay, what they do? Repels each other. Where the negative and negative charge also repel. What they did? Repels each other. That means same charge. What is that? Same charge attracts what is that? Same charge repels each other and opposite charge will attract each other. तो चलते हैं, प्रोटॉन को ही पॉजिटिव क्यों दिया, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को ही नेगेटिव क्यों दिया। अपन इन जनरली प्रोटॉन को पॉजिटिव चार्ज देते, यहाँ पे भी पॉजिटिव चार्ज देते, इन जनरली इधर नेगेटिव चार्ज देते, इन जनरल यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज देते। नेगेटिव चार्ज फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, पॉजिटिव चार्ज फॉर प्रोटॉन। कोई साइंटिफिक स्टडी होंगी उसने अपने अपने हिसाब से उसने पॉजिटिव चार्ज प्रोटॉन को दिया और नेगेटिव चार्ज है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को दिया। तो चलते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को दिया था, तो अपन ने पढ़े थे डेफिनेशन ऑफ चार्ज। तो अपन ने क्या पढ़े थे? डेफिनेशन ऑफ चार्ज इज व्हाट? द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ प्रोटॉन्स और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और मे बी मटेरियल, दिस इज ऑल्सो मटेरियल, ओके, which gives rise to electrical force, or this is also called as electrostatic force. What type of force it is? Electrostatic force between them, between electrons and proton is nothing but charge. We will discuss about that. So let's take, this is what one electrical field over here. Now current is being flowing or current may be there, okay, right? Now I put here one proton over here. What I put here? One proton. Now one scientist observed that the direction of the proton is in this way. What is that? The direction, let's take magnitude is F, okay. Now another time he put here one electrons over here, okay. Now he observed that direction in this way. That means the direction of protons and electrons are in reverse direction. That means it is having magnitude same, it is also having magnitude same, that is F is what? Magnitude. Now we will discuss about that. Now we will discuss about that the magnitude of protons and electrons, how it is same. Now he has given this, it is positive, and he also given that it is negative, okay. For electrons he has given the name positive, and for the protons he has given the positive, okay. He observation, by his observation. Now we will discuss about that. I will rough this and we will discuss on that here itself, right? Now my dear friends, तो चलते हैं. Now one conductor over here. What is this? Conductor. Now I am putting one, what I am putting here? One cell or battery. Now cell or battery. Now I put, this is what? Positive and negative. Now here is atoms are there, the atoms of conductor. Conductor may be anything, copper or iron or gold or cobalt or anything. Now current, now he observed that the charge, now the charge is always move from negative to positive. What is the direction? The negative to positive direction. Now the direction of the charge is conventional. What is this direction? The direction is conventional. Conventional is nothing but imaginary. Imaginary direction. Imagine only. Now the direction of the charge is negative direction to positive direction, okay. In the reverse of current, we will discuss about that in current topic. It is conventional direction, okay my dear friends. Now we observe this, okay. Now one more phenomena of the charge is there. Now he has given the name proton, positive charge, and electrons for a negative charge. Now he put here one charge of material. Now he put one charge, negative charge, and here negative charge, okay. And another time he put here positive charge and positive charge, and one more time he put one another, this is negative and this is what? Positive charge. Now he observed here, what he observed? He observed that there is a repulsion in between them. What is that? Repulsion in between them. And next time here he observed, here is also repulsion, here is also repulsion. They will move like this. What they will? They will move away from each other, okay. My dear friend, next time he observed that positive charge and negative charge were attract each other. What they were doing? Attract each other. They are repel each other. These both are repels each other. What they are doing? Repel. That means what? I can write directly here, same charge are repel, where opposite charge are attract each other. This is only the phenomena we have to study in our 10th class. Okay, now I will quickly make a revision of that. Charge is nothing but it is represented by Q, the property of protons or electrons which gives rise to electrical force. What is that force? Electrical force between electrons and protons. Between electrons and protons. Okay, if I put here proton, if I put here electron, they will attract each other or they will repel each other. That depends upon what we are putting here. Electrons, electrons, or protons, or protons, or electrons, or protons. Depends upon that situation. It might be attract, it might be repels. We already discussed about that. Its positive charge are attract. Sorry, positive and negative charge are attract, where the same charge are repels each other. Okay, we discuss about this is the definition, and another thing is we have to discuss about this Q. What is meant by Q? What is this? The eccentrical charge. Eccentrical charge it is. What type of charge it is? Eccentrical charge. It is represented by E, and this is number of atoms or numbers of mole or numbers of electrons or protons present in that. Okay, what is this? Is formula for Q. Q is equal to Ne. It is number of electrons or protons. Okay, it is eccentrical charge. The eccentrical charge minimum possible value we have written 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, 1.6 into 10 raised to the power 19 coulomb. We discuss about that. Okay, my dear friends, we discuss the SI unit of charge is nothing but coulomb. We will discuss about that in a later on video. Okay, this is what see. We will make a clear picture about that. Don't worry, within quick revision. Already we discussed about the charge. We will make a quick revision of the charge. Okay, the charge is a property of protons or electrons in which gives rise to electrical force between them. It is nothing but charge. We already discussed in the details. Now its symbol is Q. What is the symbol of charge? Is Q. The SI unit of the charge is coulomb. We will discuss about the coulomb in next video. What? Next video we will discuss about that. And what is the minimum possible value of the charge? Is 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19. That we have to remind this number. Okay, let's take E. Electrons is also 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb, where the protons is also having 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb charge. This is what the minimum possible value. It will be varies with the different research. Okay, my dear, next point था अपना, the same charge are repels. That means positive and positive charge will repel. Okay, repels, and negative and positive charge are attracts each other. That means positive और same charge जो होता है attract repel करता है, और opposite charge जो होता है वो attract करता है. Okay, and the formula for the charge is Q is equal to Ne. N is a number of electrons or protons present in that. N is number of electrons or protons present in that, and E is elementary charge. Elementary charge is also 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. That means elementary charge is nothing but minimum possible values of the charge. This E is nothing but minimum possible value of a charge. The charge always move from negative to positive. Already we discussed this negative to the positive direction of the charge. It is conventional direction. What it is? One point is remaining there. It is conventional direction, my dear friend. That means what? It is imaginary direction. Okay, तो जिस बच्चों को रिवीजन करना है और जिसको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना हो स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हैं. उसके साथ साथ जिसको भी अच्छा लगा होगा, प्लीज़ मेरी विनंती है और आग्रह भी है कि शेयर करना, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलना। तो अगले वीडियो में जानते हैं करंट के बारे में। ये वीडियो था चार्ज के बारे में, अगले वीडियो में जानेंगे करंट के बारे में। तो अलविदा करते हैं, इसी के साथ साथ बाय बाय।